Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to tell you that how could you create your own Google Classroom. It's very easy. You should have Gmail ID. If you have a Gmail ID, you can create Google Classroom through Google app. That is very easy. And Google app is available on Play Store as well as in Apple iPhone store. So I can download from the Play Store because I have an Android phone. So I will click on the Play Store, then I will search the Google Classroom app. So you can see on the top the Google Classroom app is appeared. We can see Google Classroom and different screen images. You can see different images are appearing, and I have already downloaded. That's why it is saying that you have to open, because I have already downloaded, so there is no need to install. If you did not install, so there is a install button will appear on the screen. Right now it is open, that means already installed. So I will open the Google Classroom app, as you can see, and you can see there are different classroom is appearing on the screen. You can see different classroom is appearing on the screen, and I want to create another classroom. So on the bottom there is the option. You can see there is a plus sign. You have to click on this plus sign, then you will have two options. Number one is create class, number two is join class. If there is a invitation of any other class that has been created, so you can just mention the class code and you can join that class. If you want to create your own Google Classroom, so you will choose create class, and after that you have to mention the class name. For example, class 9 I want to create, and after that you can mention the section as well. There are further more detail. You can write the room name as well as you can write the specific subject name of the class. So I'm going to create a journal class. In that class I will invite different subject teachers. That's why I will not mention any subject here, and there is no need to mention the room here. So I just want to class 9 section A. After that I will click on the top button. There is a create button. You can see the Google class will be created in few seconds, and class name will be class 9. As you can see, the class 9 has been created, as we can see on the top, class 9A, and on the bottom there is a stream. There is a classwork, daily classwork, which you will assign, and the stream different subjects detail. And there is another option, that is people. Which people will use your class 9, or you want to communicate through class 9, so those people you have to add. I will click on the people, and after that there will be two options. You can see teachers and students. So I want to invite teacher first, so I will click on the teacher, and after that you can mention the teacher's email ID here on the top. You can see here you have to mention the teacher's email ID. That should be Gmail. And after that there is another way. You can copy a link of this class and you can share that link through the WhatsApp as well, so the person can join, or that teacher can join your class. And next, how could you invite the students? Same like that, you want to invite the students because they have different rights. Teacher have different rights and student have different rights. That's why there are two different categories, because teacher has to assign assignments, homework to the students, and they have some more rights as compared to students, and students have limited rights. That's why I want to invite students from here like this. And here you have to mention the Gmail ID of the students. If there is no Gmail ID, so you can copy the link of this class as a students. You can send to the through the WhatsApp or the email. means you can send this link of class to the students through the WhatsApp. You can copy and you can see the copied invite link is, and after that you have to move and you have to choose any contact from the WhatsApp and you can send the link of that class. So in this way you can create your own Google Classroom. If you have any problem for creating a Google Classroom, you can ask. You have to try yourself. It's very easy. I hope that you will be successful. Okay, thank you.